Hey y'all, it's Brad, Nelson Ridge Farm. A quick intro here. I got to do some wood chips for a couple scoops for a customer real quick, and then I'm going to go change the oil on the disc mower, the Kuhn disc mower. So I'll do some chips real quick, and then see you at the barn. All right, just filled up a couple scoops of wood chips. They're great customers from one town over, but they've just moved from California, following the grandkids over here.
Distance from the
And they had beautiful gardens and vineyards, or like an orchard, they said, over in California. But so they're kind of rebuilding that here, and we got cheap wood chips. And come and get some. Hey, I'm not sure what happened to my video of me taking the drain plug out. So there's a drain plug at the bottom there where that gross contaminated oil is coming out, and the fill is just above it. I think we'll see that in a minute, but sorry I didn't catch any of that. It was a 8mm hex, and it came out pretty easily for the drain and for the fill plug. So I'm just letting it, all this nasty, boy, can you see how yellow that is? It's just real contaminated. I'm taking my time and letting that come out. You saw me let it warm up. I don't know what happened to my intro either. So I let it warm up a few minutes, and I'm just taking my time here with the draining. Okay, it's almost done dripping. I'm going to put some oil in it just to, see if I can flush it out with some clean oil. See that clean oil coming now? Oh yeah, much better. Much cleaner oil coming out now. I'm just gonna let it all drain out though now. All right, I'll start with emptying all this in there. All right. All right, that side's done. 8 again. Turning pretty easy. Can't do it with my hands yet. All right, oh, looks better on this one. Not so contaminated. We'll let her drain. Should have done this one first. We're angled down. You can see the fill hole at the top. And the way you know it's full is now the drain plug is horizontal, but it's got to come up to the drain plug level. Go ahead and empty the rest of this kind of oil in there. I got it in the bottom. Just while I'm here, I'm going to put that lid back on, or the fill plug back on. Tight. All right, let me get it started. All right. Okay, there's the oil change for the lateral gearbox and the cutter bar for the Kuhn GMD 700 GII HD. So I think that's a G2. All right, thank y'all for watching. Come back next time.